Hey guys, Izzy here with DonnyFL. Today we're going to be talking about the Emperor and the Ronin and how to add the extender to both of them. A lot of people have a hard time putting them together, they can't figure it out. Today we're going to help you out with that. But first things first, last time I did a video, someone didn't like seeing my thumbs, so we're going to get these fixed. I had a nice person send me a bag of thumbs. Check that out. I'll read the note. So the note says, "To Izzy, from production to special effects to be used in all future filming." We're gonna put these to use. I'm gonna dump them out right here in my little drawer. And let's see. I like that one. Yeah, I like that one. So I'll show you. These little thumbs have faces on them, which are pretty cool. I like them. Thank you. So now I don't got ugly finger thumbnails, but they have little faces on them. Look at that. Oh yeah. So I think this is the face that people have when they're trying to put these extenders on. They can't figure it out and they make that face right there. So let's get started, guys. So when you buy your Emperor, they come in a protective red tube. So we're just gonna pop that cap off. We're gonna slide this out. So the Emperor has the muzzle end and the barrel end. So what we're gonna be doing here, we're gonna be grabbing our extender here. A lot of customers, they get it and they say, "Hey, why is it that this thread doesn't fit in the back?" And there's a reason for that. Pretty much this cap here just holds the sleeve in on the suppressor here. So if I remove this cap, there you go, we're gonna remove that. You saw me remove that cap. So now, if I push on the back of this suppressor, you see how I just opened it up. Pretty much that cap is what retains the whole thing together. So removing that cap will also allow you to add the extender. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna grab the extender here. We're gonna thread it in. And if I remember correctly, the Emperor with the extender is 16 3/4 inches long, or approximately around it, because I know the Emperor is 10.5 inches long. This is 6 1/4 inches long, so pretty close. All right, so there's the Emperor with the extender on there. Another note to keep in mind that we do have these extenders on different threads as well. So the one we have here, this is an 18x1 thread. We also have them in 1/2x20 and also in the M20x1 threads. So if anyone really wants to put one on their 22 caliber air gun, it's doable, but it's not needed. Don't discourage me from buying it, but if you really want it, get it. All right, so now we're gonna pop this off. Take this extender off. Put this cap on, and it's a good idea to save these caps if you do decide getting that extender on there. You know, I personally have the extender in the Emperor and the Ronin, and I use that sometimes I don't, but if you don't want to use it, you still have a cap to put it on your air gun. So let's put this one away, and I'll grab that Ronin, and we'll put that extender on the Ronin. So here we got the Ronin, and just so you guys know, these both are 357. We have the Ronin ranging from 25 caliber all the way up to 50 caliber. On the Emperor, we have them from 30 caliber all the way up to 45 caliber. So same process. We're just removing the threaded cap, save it again, and just same process as just threading the extender on there. So there's the Ronin. There we go. You see it right there. So that's the Ronin with the extender. So the Ronin is, if I remember correctly, is 6 1/4 inches long. The extender is 6 1/4 inches long. So now we got a 12, or I think that's 13 inches right there, if I remember correctly. No, my math is wrong, but it's just over 11 inches. Still doesn't make it now. You can delete that out, right? Alright, well, there you go, guys. I'm going to go ahead and pull this Emperor out, put them side by side so you guys can see the differences. So, Emperor is on your right side, my left, and the extender with the Ronin on your left, my right. So yeah, there you go, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. Email us. We'll get back at you as soon as possible. But yeah, very easy to put together. Very, very effective on the super high caliber air guns like the 45 and 50 caliber air guns. I highly recommend using the extender for that additional quietness, you know, when silence is a priority. But there you go, guys. Thank you very much and have a great day. Thank you.
Let me get a close-up of that. Let me get it in focus. Yeah.
Thanks, guys.